We are stretching these curls. I said we do it, right? You want to rock your hair for 3 weeks, you go and transition into up to little ponytail action at the top. In the back, we're rocking curls. And guess what? Shampoo day is right around the corner. You can do it. Stretch your curls. So early in the week, I rocked a whole head full of curls, right? I went from that to a headband. I did a little swoop action with one side up, the other side down, and I was using the Dew gel. But this week, I transitioned to a ponytail in the front and the back out in curls just to get me through until shampoo day. And so, what we are using is the Bonita Afro Balm. This particular product is more of a cream base. I like it, but again, I would only put it on a slick back or a ponytail and right before wash day. You do not want to put this in your whole head. It's pretty heavy, so it's nothing that you want to use to like form your curls. That's not going to work. This is strictly in form of like a gel, but it's not a gel. Like I said, it's a paste. And so this is what it looks like. And like I said, it's pretty thick. It's nothing I would run through all of your hair. So what you want to do is just put a little bit on it and kind of do a slick down, slick back, whatever it is, depends on where you're putting your ponytail. And then, just kind of slick all the hairs in place. And what I tend to do is I have a couple of bobby pins tucked underneath. You can't see because my ponytail kind of comes over it. And that way, if you have short hair like I do, and some of these are a little short, you can kind of just hold those hairs in place. And I have one over here as well. You can see, never knew it was there. You slick it in place, put your bobby pin, pull your hair over, fluff it, and then you're good to go. Remember, I don't get paid by these companies. I'm not getting paid by YouTube. I am not getting paid by the manufacturers. I'm simply bringing you products that I have used so that you don't have to do the work. With that, let me help you find the perfect product, save money, and let me help you on this natural hair journey.